everyone, and welcome back again. In this chapter, we will talk about the grounding and earthing system, in addition to the lightning protection system and the hazardous area. Let's start. Here, I will start with the earthing system. What is an earthing system? An earthing system or grounding system is a connect specific part of that installation with the earthing's conductive surface for safety and functional purpose. The point of reference is Earth's conductive surface. The choice of the earthing system can affect the safety and electromagnetic of the installation. Regulation for the earthing system vary considerably among countries. Through many follow recommendation of the National Electric Code, regulation may identify special cases for earthing in mind. For example, the patient care areas or in the hazardous area of industry plants. In general, I can say that the earthing system be found to protect the people and the equipment. Why? See this example. See, if this equipment have a line and neutral and it be earth with the ground, and if any problem happen with this equipment and there are current move through the body of this equipment, if the earthing system is being installed, that means this leak current will be go down to the low resistance, which is the earth resistance, and if it is not found, it will move through the body of the people to the earth, and this people will affect with this current. And now also the important question, what is the difference between the earthing and grounding system? See this picture. The earthing means the connection from the panel port or the main distribution panel or the main ground bus bar to the equipment. And the ground is the final connection between this panel and the ground through the road or earth pit or so on. We will see all the details of the earthing and grounding system. And finally, for the color code for the earthing conductors, we can say the most countries use the green and yellow for the earthing wires and conductors. Type of the earthing system. The various codes used are derived from the relationship of the distribution system to earth and the relationship of the exposed conductive part of electrical installation to earth. There are a many types of earthing system, which is first the TNC system. See here in this picture, I make earthing on the source, and here also I have conductors from the source to consumer, and I take from this earth of source to the consumer. And also the second type called the TNS system. Here, if we see the system, here I connect both the neutral and earth together in one conductor to the consumer. And here the third type called the TNCS system. Also, if I see this picture, I make earth here on the source, and I take from the earth of the source conductors, and I take from the neutral to consumer, and also from the protection earth to the consumer. And the fourth type called the TT system. I make a earth pit on the load and earth pit on the source, and also I connect the earth of the source to the consumer through the neutral. And here The last type is called the IT system. On the IT system, I make only earth bit near the load, and I did not make any earth near the source. And here there are no neutral. I'm just take from the earth to consumer. If I want to make a comparison through these 5 types of earthing system, I can use these tables. See here, if I want to compare which of those earth type is the safest, see here, the TT is safe, but the IT is less safe, and the TNS is the safest. Also the TNC less safe, and here the TNCS is safe as the TT system. And also here the advantage, the TT is safe and reliable, and the IT is continuity to the operation uh, of operation and cost. The TNS is the safest, but here the TNC is costly, and here the TNCS is safety and costly. See here, if we want to talk about the TNS system, we make earth here near the source, and I take the line and neutral to the installation equipment, and here I make a connection between a neutral and protection earth. Also I take this protection earth direct to the load. And also here, if you see this TNC system, I make an earth bit near the source, but here the difference between it and the previous system, that I connect both the neutral and the earth in one conductor and take it direct to the installation equipment. And here for the TNC and S system or TNCS system, I make 2 earth bits, one earth near the source in addition to additional source electrode, and I connect both the neutral and earth together until the next additional source electrode. After that I can separate them for neutral conductor and protection earth conductor. And here in the fourth type of the earthing system, which is the TT system, also I make 2 earth bit or earth rod. I make the first one near the source, and I make a connection between the neutral and the earth source, and also I make a consumer earth, and I take this neutral direct to the installation equipment, and also from the consumer earth I take a separate earth conductor also to the installation equipment. And finally, to arrange the IT system, here I'm not make any earth bit near the source, but here I make a consumer earth, and I take from the source only the neutral and line without any earth, and here from the consumer earth I take the earth conductor to the installation equipment.